Make a great choice today with
the 2020 Encore. The Encore captures Buick's traditional strengths while demonstrating luxury and style in a petite size. It's amazingly quiet at freeway speeds, and the suspension engulfs pavement imperfections, providing passengers with a pampered ride. Standard features that would make any car owner smile. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, advanced technology package, four-wheel disc brakes, heads-up display, universal garage door opener. Come take a test drive today.